talk about another aquatic plant over here. So this one right in front of me, that's stargrass. I believe its scientific name is something like Heteranthra zosastrifolia something. Anyhow, so this is a stem plant. Contrary to its name, stargrass, this is not actually a carpeting plant. It is a stem plant, but it can be used to create a carpet, a really good looking carpet if you trim it regularly and replant the cuttings back into the substrate. It is sort of like, I would say it's not exactly very beginner friendly plant, or it will grow in low tech setups like Ludwigia repens over here. This would require a bit better conditions. It would do better with nutrient dosing as well as a medium input of CO2. I mean, it will survive in low tech setup, but it would thrive much better and bring out its proper colors in a high tech environment. I mean, I experiment with low tech plants. I try to grow high tech plants in low tech setups and those beginner recommended ones as well. I did found surprisingly some low tech, high tech plants that were growing fine in low tech ones as well. But this plant, on the other hand, as you can see, it's not that lush inside a low tech setup. So it would, and its growth is also hasn't been that rapid since almost a few weeks past since I have gotten it. It's almost the same. Let's just say it does have roots though, so it's not just perhaps because the plant is adjusting. And some of my friends also tried growing it in low tech setup. It didn't do that well. So yeah, this is certainly a bit demanding plant. It would do better with quality lights and CO2 addition. But yeah, aside from that, it can be used to create beautiful looking carpets, even though it is a stem plant, but similar to pearlweed, that is also a stem plant but can be used to make a carpet. I would say this plant sort of falls into the similar category. Plus, it has a really light yellowish color, which is not probably very clear right now, but it does sort of display that under better lighting conditions, and you can sort of, it looks really striking and very attractive inside that aquarium.